Hello traders, welcome back to the Forex Board Trading Academy. Today we will be analyzing the euro against the Japanese yen on the daily time frame, as you can see on the top left corner, and the price action seems to be getting quite interesting. But before we get started, I would like to remind you that information in this video is for educational purpose only and should not be considered as the financial advice. Guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to follow our videos. Now let's get started with the euro Japanese yen. What is happening is that we had on the daily time frame break above this resistance area. You can see it has been formed since October, and there was a 2-month of consolidation where the price actually continued to reject this resistance. Although we had this breakout recently on the 1st of December, and then yet again a consolidation followed. So there was a 1 month of this consolidation. And what is interesting here is that after the breakout, we had this clean bounce of the 78.6 pips applied to this corrective move down. And this clean rejection followed by the new higher high could be the continuation or confirmation of the continuation of the uptrend. But I think the very important point here is that we need to have a daily close above this high. This will confirm strong bullish pressure, and we might see 2 or 3 days of the fast rise for the euro Japanese yen. We also see that the price remains above 200 simple and 200 exponential moving averages, and it also rejecting the simple uptrend trend line, yet again validating the uptrend. So what we might expect upon the break and close above the 127.22 is further rise towards one of the pips. The nearest resistance is 130 pips away, and the second is 320 pips away. This is quite a big move, but maybe it will not go that far. Maybe it will test only the first resistance, which is 127.2 pips based on the pips applied to this correction. And second is 161.8 pips, which is 320 pips away. Nonetheless, having said that, we need to hold this support area and break above this high in order to confirm strong bullish pressure. We might also see that the price will break to the downside and will not break to the upside. So we might see now reversal, which is highly unlikely considering the price action, although it's possible simply because the head and shoulders pattern, which has been formed here, could have been accomplished. So this could be a downside move. Yet it's not confirmed. The trend is strongly bullish, so we need to have a break above. Besides, if we break above this high, we will confirm the break above this, and it will invalidate the potential double top formation. So very important to see the break above, then we should see a fast rally. Also, we are moving within the ascending channel, and the price could be heading towards the top of the channel. Maybe it will not reach it if it's going to be at the first resistance, but if it's going to be the second resistance, maybe we will test the channel, produce the spike, then go down and remain within the channel. So this is on the upside move. And what might be happening if there will be break below this support? Well, first off, we will confirm the break below the pips. We will produce a new lower low. We will break below the uptrend trend line. This certainly will add some selling pressure, considering it will also confirm the double top here. And the price is likely at least to retest this resistance, which now becomes the support. But overall, the price might be going down towards the uptrend trend line to test one of the moving averages, 200 simple or exponential. So this could be the support area. But for now, very, very bullish on the euro Japanese yen. Perhaps we will see the break and close above today. If not, maybe consolidation will be extended. So very important to watch the price action throughout this week, today and tomorrow. That's it on the euro Japanese yen. We now gonna look at all previously made analysis, starting Australian dollar. on this pair, as expected, the uptrend continues. Still a lot to go. The new cycle just started, could be very bullish, could result in the correction. I would like to see it today and tomorrow what will be the case here, because if price will not manage to produce a strong green candle, this might result in the correction down, suggesting the strong dollar for the short period of time. So maybe retest of this support and only then moving up. So still following on that and moving on the Australian Swiss franc. Here we are having an uptrend continuation. I do expect the big move here, and it could be the Australian dollar who is driving that pair or the Swiss franc weakness. If that's the Australian dollar, Australian versus the dollar should be going up also. And Australian Japanese yen, we had reached the resistance, guys, today. And this might be suggesting that the price is gonna go down, although it's not confirmed. We need to see where will be the daily close. Overall, I think the second target could be tested, but if it's gonna start going down, then maybe we will see the correction. But mostly I think this could be the Australian dollar rather than the Japanese yen, because just now what we had is the potential Japanese yen weakness. But it's not confirmed, as I said, because now we have Japanese yen rejection and Euro Japanese yen also. This could be the triple top or double top formation. Moving on to the New Zealand Japanese yen. Well, here we're still quite a bit to go, so maybe the Japanese yen is still weak and this tendency will continue. So need to see the Australian Japanese yen as well, what is happening along with the Euro Japanese yen. Next one is the Swiss franc Japanese yen. Well, here we do expect the downtrend, but I think that the consolidation might be extended here and maybe price will try to push higher, but we need to have a daily break and close to confirm further uptrend. For now, it's still a correctional phase that is on. I think the probability now of this correction becomes less, although still possible, especially considering Australian Japanese yen reaching the first resistance. The Euro Swiss franc, this looks still extremely bullish, could be starting to rise finally from today. Nonetheless, also consolidation might take place, but I do think that the euro is strong and the Swiss franc could be weak for the short period of time. The next one is the dollar Swiss franc. Also, here the Swiss franc is strong, but now for the short term, I think this correction will take place, which will make the Swiss franc weak. So this is only the correction that I do expect and then continuation of the downtrend. So for now, definitely something like that could be expected. The euro against the dollar, the new cycle, guys, just started along with the Australian against the dollar. And today we might be seeing either a strong bullish candle or rejection of the average price uptrend trend line yet again. Very important to see today and tomorrow price action, and we will get back to that. The Euro Canadian, very bullish on that. We rejecting the upper trend line of the descending channel, which is acting as the support. Previous resistance area clearly acted as the support, so still expect a strong move to the upside. The Euro Pound also very bullish, starting to rise, so there is quite a bit to go. Maybe this will be the week of the strong euro. It certainly seems that way. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the analysis for the Euro Japanese yen. Don't forget that we need to have a break above the previously made high in order to confirm bullish trend. For now, this is still a consolidational phase which is ongoing. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash the like. Let us know down in the comments below what you think on the Euro Japanese yen. What are your thoughts? Whether you're bullish, bearish, and why? And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell. Till next time, we'll see you very soon with new analysis.